Today I will do a quick video about this very simple yet useful recipe, the pumpkin puree. I need a pumpkin puree to make a pumpkin pie, but it's also very good on its own. What you will need to make a pumpkin puree is a pumpkin for pie, such as this one.
French word of the day.
The French word of the day is purée, for puree or mashed. Purée. Salt and vegetable oil. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius. Cut the pumpkin in two and be careful with the knife. This squash is super tough. Remove seeds and thingy they're attached to. If you know the English word for this stuff, let me know in the comment below. You can keep the seeds for later because roasted pumpkin seeds are delicious. Place a parchment piece of paper on an oven pan, such as this one. Salt and oil the inside of each pumpkin house. Display them face down on the pan and bake for 40 minutes. Once cooked, remove the skin. But do it when it's cooled down or you'll burn yourself, and no one wants that. It's pretty painful. Cut halves in chunks and mash them in a food processor. Don't add water, it would be too runny. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please show support and give us a thumb up. And comment below to let me know what you think about this recipe. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about any new video we will publish. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!